Ako po kasi third termer na vice mayor. Bago po noon, galing naman po akong kongreso. So, it was actually just parang bumabalik lang naman po ako sa kongreso dahil nagustuhan ko rin naman po yung time na na-spend ko po. So, it was like a natural effect of finishing my third term, balik kongreso naman.
Is there anything you missed sa legislature, ma'am?
I guess it's also partly because you learn a lot dun sa mga kasama mo. Hindi naman dahil Makati alam mo na. Pero dahil iba-iba yung experiences from different municipalities, cities, provinces, maganda rin siya kasi madami kang napipick up na pwede mo rin naman actually take into consideration sa pagle-legislate.
Anong specific programs, ma'am, yung gusto niyo mismo?
I want to be able to contribute pa sa social services. Though Makati na kami, there is still some things that we can contribute to. I'd also like to be able to contribute pagdating sa local governance, education. So there are a lot of things, hindi naman po siya malalaki. Pero mga bagay na over the years, habang nag-vice mayor, nakikita natin na maganda rin ma-share sa iba dahil nagagawa ko.